Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Experience Tutor. Today we'll discuss class 10th science chapter 4 carbon and its compound part 1, and this is our welcome message. We have a request for you. Please subscribe, like and share this channel. Please click on the subscribe button to support us and also click on the bell icon to get automatic notification whenever a new video is launched by us. So let us start with the chapter. So in this chapter we'll study about carbon and its compound. The element carbon is a non-metal. So we can write the distinct properties of carbon, that is, first, carbon is a non-metal. Its symbol is capital C. Carbon is versatile element present in the earth crust in the form of material, in the form of minerals, is 0.02% and atmosphere as carbon dioxide in 0.03%. So uh, presence of carbon of carbon. In the earth crust, 0.02%, and in the atmosphere as CO2 gas, carbon dioxide gas, is 0.03%. All the living things, plant and animals, are made up of carbon based compounds. So this is a very important phenomena. All living things are made up of carbon based compounds. So these 3 points are clear, very easy. Now the next topic. We'll go through the structure of carbon now. So, atomic number atomic number of carbon is equal to 6. So, electronic configuration is C 6 K L M 2 and 4. So, here we can see the electronic configuration of carbon, and there are 4 valence electrons in its outermost shell. So, for carbon, it is very difficult either to gain 4 electrons to complete its octet, or to attain the noble gas configuration, nearest noble gas configuration, or it is very difficult to release 4 electrons again to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. Therefore, due to this, carbon always form covalent bond. Therefore, carbon always form covalent bond. Covalent bonds. Now, let us go little more detail. Carbon is tetravalent. So, one more property, carbon is tetravalent. Tetra means 4 and valent means valency. So, since carbon has 4 electrons, so it is called in its outermost orbit, or carbon has 4 electrons in the valence orbit, valence shell. So, it is called tetravalent. It does not form ionic bond by either losing 4 electrons or by gaining 4 electrons. It is difficult to hold 4 extra electrons and would require large amount of energy to remove 4 electrons. So, carbon can form bonds by sharing of its electron with the electrons of other carbon atom or other elements. So, if we see the structure of carbon, so it has 4 electrons in its valence shell. So it is very difficult to remove all these 4 electrons. and again it is very mm, it is not possible also to gain 4 electron. So carbon always forms covalent bonds with carbon or with other elements by sharing of electron. So it shares with other elements. In the same way, so if we go for the structure of carbon, then this is the nucleus of carbon, this is the K cell which contains 2 electron, and this is the L cell which contains 4 electron. There are other elements also which forms covalent bond, like for example hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine also forms covalent bond by sharing electrons. So what is covalent bond? A term coming every quite frequently, covalent bond. So bond formed by the bond formed by sharing of electrons between same or different atoms. Or different atoms is covalent bond. So the main part is sharing of electron, the bond formed by sharing of electron. Now let us move forward. So as we know that different examples of other element which forms covalent bond are hydrogen. So how the bond formed by hydrogen, covalent bond formed by hydrogen? So we know the atomic electronic configuration of hydrogen is like this: only one electron and two hydrogen atom combines together by sharing of these two electron. and it gets the covalent bond HH, single bond. Here the sharing takes place. In this way, hydrogen covalent bond form in hydrogen. Similarly, we can see the covalent bond for oxygen. We know the electronic configuration of oxygen is atomic number is 8, so we can write 26 K shell L cell. So one oxygen contains two orbit K and L. The first orbit contains 2 electron and the valence orbit contains 6 electron. Similarly, another oxygen atom six electron. Now they share electrons. So here O so two each they share and they form double covalent bond. So double covalent bond. Now let us see the covalent bond formed in nitrogen. So atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So we can write 7 N 2 5. So nitrogen, one nitrogen atom, this is the nucleus, this is the K cell, this is the L cell. So K cell contains 2 electrons, L cell contains 5 electrons. Similarly, another nitrogen atom, so it contains 2, 2 electrons and outermost orbit contains 5 electrons. Now when two nitrogen atom comes together, this is one nitrogen atom and this is another nitrogen atom. So its electronic configuration is 1 2 3 1 2 3, and so in this way they combines together. So and it forms triple covalent bond, triple bond by sharing of 3 electrons. Now let us take an example for the molecules of water. So we know hydrogen atomic number is 1, so it contains only one electron. We know oxygen, its atomic number is 8, so it contains 2 6, that is outermost orbit contains 6 electrons. Now if oxygen, one molecule of oxygen and two molecules of hydrogen comes together in this way, then they form the bond in this way. So by sharing of electrons. So what happens here? One electron of hydrogen and one electron of oxygen they share, and again in this case also one electron of hydrogen and one electron of oxygen share with each other, and here this type of covalent bond are formed for the water molecule. So single covalent bond are formed. Single covalent bond are formed. Now this is the end of today's topic. Tomorrow we can start with next fresh lesson, fresh topic. So request you to subscribe, like and share this channel. Please click on the subscribe button to support us. Thank you for watching our videos. Please do not forget to click on your bell icon so that you can get automatic notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching our videos.